Hi. Uh, Quite often people come to me talking about the situation that they are in. The situation is not favorable, the things are not working in my favor, and there are a lot of issues that they sit down and then talk about my studies being affected by this, and then I'm not in a position to really handle this. So that kind of issue which comes. In fact, I would say that situation is very neutral. I mean, it is posed before you. It is not essentially forcing you to do a reaction to it. Reaction is within you. You have a control on the reaction. It's something like I would say that a lot of WhatsApp messages keeps popping, but you have a choice of which emoji to use to react to that. You have a lot of them. Some of them are very close to each other. I don't understand quite a few of them though. So reactions are like what you respond to it. You have two options, very clear two options. Either you complain about it, complain about the situation that you are part of or that is in front of you, or you challenge that, because failure is not an option. In fact, I would say that I always feel that way. As long as your heart is pumping blood to your brain, there's no reason that you can think of a failure. In fact, to me, my understanding, only failure that is a failure is a heart failure. So, I mean, as long as there's nothing of that nature, you shouldn't talk about situation and complain about it. You have to respond back. You have to be fighting it out. And I would imagine that there's a small difference, but the big one actually looks like a small though. What you are doing and what you can do. The situation is what you are actually doing. But if you can do something more than that, so why are you doing this? Do something which you are actually taking close to your goal. Don't do a thing which is you think that is not going to be your advantage. A situation, I would imagine, can at best decide where you started, not where you landed. Where you ended up is not decided by the situation that you are in. It is decided by what and how you reacted to the situation. So always remember, I always keep telling you, it's your reaction to the situation which is deciding your fate, not the situation. The situation would have a lot of people, same situation, but the results and outcome is all what they and how they responded to the situation. My best wishes are with you.